Carpet cleaning companies lose a lot of time when bookings, route planning, and invoicing are handled through calls, texts, and handwritten notes, instead of one system built for mobile service businesses. By the end of this, you'll know which software actually fits carpet cleaning companies, what features matter most, and how to choose a system based on how you handle residential bookings, commercial contracts, and repeat cleaning schedules. Most carpet cleaning businesses need 5 core things from software: fast scheduling, route optimization, customer history tracking, pricing estimates, and quick invoicing right after the job is done. Field service software is usually the best fit because carpet cleaning is a high-volume, location-based business where technicians move between multiple homes or buildings every day. Scheduling is one of the most important features. Carpet cleaning jobs often come in back-to-back, so software that lets you fill open time slots quickly helps reduce downtime between appointments. Route optimization matters just as much. Driving across town between jobs eats into profit, so tools that group nearby appointments together help crews complete more jobs in less time. Customer history tracking is another key feature. Carpet cleaning is often repeat business, so software that stores past services, stain notes, and room details helps technicians deliver consistent results on return visits. Estimating tools are also important because pricing can vary based on room count, carpet condition, furniture moving, and add-on services. Software that standardizes, estimates, reduces mistakes, and speeds up quoting. Invoicing is another critical part of the workflow. The best systems let technicians send invoices immediately after finishing a job, which helps reduce payment delays and keeps cash flow steady. Mobile access is essential because technicians need to view job details, update status, and capture before and after photos directly from the field. Some platforms also include photo documentation tools, which are especially useful for showing stain removal results and building customer trust for upsells and repeat services. Customer communication tools help reduce no-shows by sending appointment reminders and letting customers know when technicians are on the way. When comparing options, the main difference is usually between simple scheduling tools and full field service platforms. Simple tools are easier to set up, while full platforms offer stronger automation for routing, customer management, and invoicing. The right choice depends on how many daily appointments you handle. Smaller carpet cleaning businesses often prioritize simplicity and fast scheduling. Larger operations benefit more from automation, routing efficiency, and customer tracking features. A practical next step is to look at how much time your team spends driving between jobs. If travel time is high, route optimization should be your top priority when choosing software. If this helped you narrow things down, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of service business software and tools.